on his hair. Do one more time. That's it? Not so bad that time?
I don't know how we want to start.
Yeah, here, B, do you want to try it? Not bad. A teeny little shake.
You done?
Kind of squeeze it when it's in there.
Yeah, get it real juicy in there. Do him again.
Oh, I feel mean.
Okay, it's not nice, young Laura. Mommy put a bowl in my ear and you feed me lemons. All right.
All right.
Now done. Bye-bye.